That's the guy.
No,
Why do you guys believe?
I just woke up.
I swear.
You're still rambling
Please
and rambling
listen to me.
about that stupid escape. There is no escape.
Oh, really? You think that there's no escape? Well, look out to the sky. You see the light shine from outside. We can easily get a grip to make us fly up there and save our lives from this god-awful place. Everything is always unstable. You are unstable, I am unstable, everyone's unstable.
I swear to God, if I hear someone yelling one more time, I'm gonna scream.
Oh,
Yeah, he's right. Yeah.
Yo, Vash, you got caught. Oh, God. You good? Vishnam! Oh, hi, Will. How's it going? Yeah, how's it going?
You heard everything like that.
Shut up, Ogre!
Question. I know you think we can't escape, but we can.
Oh, really? You think there's a way to escape? So then, oh my God!
Hey, Grampy, what do you think is inside Jerry's mind? Guys, whenever you look at me, does it look like I know what's in Jerry's mouth?